What's going on? Hashtag JRideReviews family. Got yet another epic review. Today we'll be reviewing a 2019 Hyundai Veloster N. Yeah, this is a real N, not the N line. This is an N. Pops and crackles, all that good stuff we've come to know with the N modes and all that stuff like that. So, and it's a 6-speed manual as well. So today I'm gonna do the review a little bit different. I'm gonna give you this introduction, and after the introduction's done, you're not going to hear from me again. I'm going to do what I call a silent review. I'm going to go over the interior, I'm going to go over the exterior, let y'all see it with your eyes, not with your ears. And then we're going to take it out for a test drive. I'm going to be quiet. I'm not saying anything. I want y'all to hear the car. I love the pops and crackles of these N vehicles. Over here at Hyundai, I'm gonna put it in N mode and put the drive mode in Sport or Sport Plus, and we're just gonna let your ears hear it, right? Let your eyes see it, let your ears hear it. You're not gonna hear from me at all. So I just wanted to try something different, what I call a silent review, and go from there. Hope y'all like it. Hope y'all having a good morning, a good afternoon, a good evening, or a good night whenever you're seeing this video. Y'all hang tight. Let's ride. JRide.
2019 Hyundai Veloster N.
Oh gosh. Damn. And that, my friends, is a silent car review. I hope you love the sounds of this N. It is something else. The pops and crackles. Hope you've gotten this far in the video and you enjoyed it. Watch it again, share it with your friends, hit the subscribe button so you can see more epic reviews on my channel. Hit the like button so the algorithm will start showing my stuff more often in different places, and then also hit the notification bell to all so that y'all can keep up with me. Hashtag JRideReviews family. You can go on Google, any search engine, just type in hashtag JRideReviews and join the family. This thing is awesome. The 6-speed manual, the clutch, everything is just perfect. The pops and crackles. I tried to contain my laughs in this video because I wanted to go all silent. Let's let y'all hear the powertrain at work. And towards the end, I couldn't hold it anymore. And I hope you enjoyed it just as much as I enjoyed bringing it to you. Gratitude is my attitude. God bless you. God keep you. Till the next time. Thank y'all. And don't forget, when you get in these things, go to sport mode. You'll hear the exhaust change. And then you hit the N button over here. It turns on rev matching and it turns off all the traction, and it is a wild ride from there. Downshifts, rev matching is super cool. Y'all hang tight. We'll see you next time. Peace.